In this tutorial, you will learn how to go live on Instagram. But before we start, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos. You can share a live video to connect with your followers in real time. Once a live video has ended, it is no longer visible in the app, unless you share a replay of it to your story. Tap the camera icon in the top left of the screen or swipe right from anywhere in the feed. Tap Live at the bottom of the screen. Then tap Start Live Video. Now you will be broadcasting live. The number of viewers appears at the top of the screen and comments appear at the bottom. Tap Comment to add a comment, and tap and hold a comment to pin it to the top so that viewers can see it more easily. To turn comments off, tap, then select Turn Off Commenting. Keep in mind that any keyword filters you've turned on will also apply to comments on your live videos. When you're done, tap End on the top right, then tap to confirm. From there you can tap Save on the top right to save it to your camera roll or share it to your story. Do you plan on going live often?